In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Studio's CMS. If you're building a site that needs organized, reusable content, like articles, products, team profiles, or galleries, the CMS in Wix Studio is where everything comes together. Think of it as a structured home for your data, designed to keep your site consistent and easy to update over time. Start in the site editor and look at the left bar. Click the CMS icon. It's the second to last icon from the top. This opens the area where your content lives. Once you're here, you can begin adding your content manually. That simply means you enter items one by one, things like titles, descriptions, images, links, and any details you want to store. A helpful tip before you begin: decide on a clear naming system for your content and fields, so you'll recognize them later when connecting them to elements on your pages. You can also start adding content by using a preset, or you can create it from scratch. Presets are excellent if you want a ready-made structure for common needs, such as a blog or a store. They include fields that most people use, saving you time and reducing setup errors. Creating from scratch is perfect when you need something custom, maybe a portfolio, a directory, or a set of testimonials that require specific fields. Either way, the goal is to build a collection that reflects how your content is organized. If your site pulls information from outside sources, or if you need to control how your content links to pages, click on Manage Page Connections. This is where you manage page connections on an external connection and align your data with the parts of your site that display it. Keeping these connections clear ensures that the right content appears in the right place, especially when multiple pages or templates rely on the same collection. Now, after you create a collection, you can start applying it to elements on your page like blogs, stores, and other content-driven sections. When your elements are powered by a collection, updates become much easier. Change the content once in the CMS, and those updates flow through to every connected element. This is great for maintaining consistent layouts and scaling your site without manually editing each page. That's the overview of using Wix Studio's CMS. Open the CMS from the left bar, add content manually or with a preset or from scratch, manage your page connections, and then apply your collection to the elements that need it. Keep your structure clean and your naming consistent, and your site will be far easier to maintain. That's all.